friends, welcome back to AG Updates. Let's see what's shaking the world today. Santorini, the beautiful Greek island that looks like it came straight out of a fairy tale, has just been hit by a powerful earthquake. A 5.3 magnitude quake shocked the island, making it the strongest earthquake in the last few weeks. The tremors were so intense that they were felt in Athens, nearly 300 kilometers away. But here's the thing, the earthquake didn't come out of nowhere. Scientists had been watching Santorini closely because for weeks the island had been experiencing thousands of small earthquakes, something called a seismic swarm. Imagine shaking a jar of marbles again and again. That's what's been happening under the sea near Santorini. Instead of one big earthquake, there have been more than 11,000 tiny ones growing stronger over time. And now boom, a major earthquake has finally struck. Now you might be wondering, why is this happening to Santorini? Well, here's a mind-blowing fact. Santorini is actually sitting on top of a giant volcano. Yes, you heard that right. This beautiful island was formed by a massive volcanic explosion thousands of years ago, and deep underground, it's still very much alive. Scientists believe that these tremors are linked to movements deep inside the Earth's crust, especially near an underwater volcano called Columba, near 7 kilometers from Santorini. When a seismic swarm happens near a volcano, experts get extra alerts because it could mean that something big like magma movement is happening underground. But for now, there's no sign of an eruption, and scientists say this might just be the Earth adjusting itself, like when you stretch after sitting for too long. Because of the continuous tremors over the past weeks, thousands of people had already left the island even before this big earthquake hit. Schools and businesses were shut down, and streets that were once full of tourists were now eerily quiet. The fear of an even bigger earthquake is keeping many people away, while experts are keeping a close watch on the situation. And guess what? Earthquakes and seismic swarms can happen anywhere, especially in places near fault lines or volcanoes. Countries like Japan, Indonesia, and the US, and even India experience earthquakes regularly. That's why earthquakes safety is so important. Nature is full of surprises. Seismic swarms remind us that our planet is constantly changing, even if we can't see it. Scientists use tools like seismometers to track these quakes and help people informed. The most important thing during an earthquake is to stay calm and follow safety rules like standing under a strong doorway or getting under a table. That's it for today's update. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to stay curious, stay safe, and see you soon.